Hi Yellow Room, happy Wednesday. Today is not any ordinary Wednesday. It is a day where we celebrate our beautiful planet Earth on which we live. It's called Earth Day. So, for Earth Day, I thought we would read a story about Earth. It is called Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. Oliver Jeffers is both the author and the illustrator. Here we are. Our solar system. Here we are. There's planet Earth. We've got the sun, and the planets go Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then we've got Pluto, our favorite dwarf planet. Well, hello! Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. Here we have us on Earth, and here is the moon, and in between us and the moon is 200,038,855 miles. There is so much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. This planet is basically made up of two parts: land, which is of rocks and dirt, and sea, which is water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about land. Land can be hot. Land can be dry. Land can be flat or bumpy or pointy or really, really hot like this volcano, or really, really cold like this snow-capped mountain. It can also be wet. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk about some more of that once you've learned how to swim. We have all these different sea creatures. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. Let's see. We have land and sea. There's a rainbow and rain and clouds. We have the air we breathe in our atmosphere. Then there's the stratosphere, and then outer space. The moon spins around us as we spin around the sun. Sometimes the sky is blue, and sometimes it's not. Here we have storm clouds with lightning. The stars and constellations, our Milky Way, other planets. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You have a head and a brain for thinking, and arms, and a heart to pump your blood, and a belly and lungs for breathing air, and legs and bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Things that do grow back are nails and our hair. The most important thing for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We all may look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak though. That's no reason not to be nice to them. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is full of questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use these words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime, and we do stuff. Like flying a kite, or reading a book, or dancing, or playing a tuba, playing hopscotch, playing with a truck, painting, whistling, gardening, taking pictures. The rest of the time, it is night. When it is dark, save for the moon, we sleep. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there's plenty left for you to do. You'll figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. 7,327,450,667 and counting. So, be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. And when the book is over, we close the cover and say, the end. Well, Yellow Room, thank you for listening. What are you going to do today to celebrate the Earth? I think I'm going to go for a walk and see some nature. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Happy Earth Day.